Okay, this is example 5. It's based on the problem number 20 about burgers on page 164. And so we're comparing fat content along the x-axis and calories. So this is fat, this is calories. Okay, and all the data is kind of up around here, except for one point down here. Okay, so, but if we just look at this upper corner here, the data line, the best line of fit kind of goes in here, and that point kind of lines up with it, so it's not too bad. But I'm concerned about that point right here. That's probably an outlier. Pretty certain it is. It's so far away from the rest of the group. And so what I did is take this here, and when I graphed it again, I did it here. Okay, so again, you still have fat and you still have calories here, and we already know it fit somewhere around in there. All it did is just zoomed in on that part. Okay, well, the first time we get pretty good, pretty high. This is a strong, positive. It looks linear. And then we already talked about the outlier with the point, what was it here? 19 grams of fat had calories of 410 calories. Is an outlier from the rest of the group. Okay. Now when we look at it over here on the right here, just getting a different color here, we threw that one out. It's not quite as strong, but it still is strong. It's still positive, and it's linear. Okay, and I would say there's nothing unusual here. Okay, so we've got all the descriptions there, but we can see definitely the outlier has an effect on the correlations. So there is an effect. We already talked about that before. And so we see some kind of relationship that it is unhealthy, that it seems like as the fat content increases, it seems like the calories increase. And we saw it in both graphs. Fat content increasing, calories increasing for the most part. So we see a pretty good relationship here. I would say there is an association. Between fat and calories in burgers.